18 from Antipolo, Rizal.
Smiling face ka talaga.
Yes, yes.
Pag mamasayahin ng tao. And somebody told me that today is your special day. Wow, happy birthday. Eh, wala ako nag-ready for you today. At si Angel. Yeah. So, why did you choose to screen on Ginong Antipolo rather than celebrate your special day today?
Kasi po, napipili ko na dito po ako masaya sa ginagawa ko. And for me, ang pinaka-best na gift ko para sa akin is mabigay ko sa papunta ako saan ako masaya. And makapag-invest ako para sa akin future.
Nice. So tell us something about yourself.
So once again, I'm Josh Calumperton and I'm 19 years old. And I'm currently a model po and a working student and